To our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to set budget limits in Zoho Books. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set budget limits in your Zoho Books, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Zoho Books. So once you're in your Zoho Books, to set a limit in your Zoho Book account, you need to go to the accountant module. Once you are in your accountant module, you need to simply select the budget. After selecting the budgets, you need to click on the plus new option and give the budget a name. You need to choose the fiscal year and period and select the income and expense account you want the budget for. After clicking, you need to create budget input, the budget amount for each period of time, example month, and then click on the save button to finalize it. Once you are done, you will be able to set budget limits in Zoho Books. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.